Now look at question number 10. An open rectangular tank of length 0.2 meters and breadth 0.15 meters contains water to a height of 0.16 meters. So the length, breadth and height is given here, and in part 1 first we have to find the volume of water in the tank, giving your answer in liters. Okay, so we have to convert meter cube in liters, and then in part 2 the surface area of the tank that is in contact with the water. Okay, so this is the solution of question number 10. First we will find out the volume, length into breadth into height. This is 0.0048 meter cube. Okay, now we have to convert meter cube in liters. So how we can convert? From meter cube into centimeter cube, we multiply by 1 million centimeter cube and then 4800 centimeter cube. Okay, we know that 1 centimeter cube is equal to 1 milliliter, so 4800 is equal, centimeter cube is equal to 4800 milliliter, and then from milliliter to liter simply we will divide by 1000, and in this way we can get the volume is equal to 4.8 liters. Okay, now in part 2 they are saying that find the surface area of the tank that is in contact with the water. Okay, this is a cuboid. Okay, a cuboid has 6 rectangular faces, top and bottom, right and left, and front and back. Okay, so if you look at the front, top and bottom, this is the first face, this is the second face, top and bottom, front and back, this is the right and left, this is the right and this is the left. Okay, this is the left side, and similarly the front side and the back side. Okay, so means to explain this cuboid, that on the top and bottom surface we will calculate the length and breadth. Okay, this is the length and this is the breadth, and in the front and back we will calculate the length. This is the length and this is the height. We will calculate the length and height, and in the front and back we will calculate, this is the front and this is the back, we will calculate the height and breadth. Okay, so the total surface area becomes 2 into length breadth plus height breadth plus length height. Means to explain this cuboid, that in contact with water means that we will not include the top surface. Okay, because the water is coming in the cuboid, that's why they are saying that this is in contact with water, so we will not include the top surface, we will only include the bottom surface. Okay, so now the formula becomes length breadth. As I told you, on the top and bottom we will calculate the length breadth, so instead of multiplied by 2 we will take the length and breadth only one time. Okay, so length breadth plus 2 into length height plus breadth height. As I told you that on the this is in contact with water, so that's why we will not include the top surface, we will only include the bottom surface. So in this way you can get the surface area that is in contact with water. Okay, so question number 11 is the same. A fish tank measuring 80 cm by 40 cm contains water to a height of 35 cm. Find the volume of the water in the tank, giving your answer in liters. It's same as in the difference is the values are in centimeter cube and you have to convert from centimeter cube into liters. And in part 2, surface area of the tank that is in contact with the water, and giving your answer in meters square. So first you have to find out the, again we will not include the top surface, we will take the length and breadth only the bottom side, and then length height and breadth height 2 times. So now look at question number 12. A metal cube has a volume of 64 centimeter cube. It is to be painted on all its faces. Find the total area of the faces that will be coated with paint. Okay, so it's a cube, means all the sides are let the length of the cube be L centimeter, then L into L into L is equal to 64 centimeter. Look here, this is a cube, so L into L is equal to 64 centimeter cube, it's given here. Then L cube is equal to 64, and by taking cube root, L is equal to cube root of 64, we will get the length is equal to 4. Okay, so the total area of the faces that will be coated with paint, this is 64 the 6 faces. Okay, so 6 into 4 multiply by 4, and in this way we can get 96 centimeter square. Okay, because we are going to find out the total area of the four faces that will be coated with paint. And now in question number 13, the total surface area of a cube is 433.5 centimeter square and find its volume. So how we can find the volume? Again, we will take the length of the cube be L centimeter, and then 6 into 6L square is the formula of 6L square is the formula of calculating the surface area of a cuboid. Okay, so this is the formula. This is 6 and L square. Length is 4, so 4 into 4. In this way we can get 96. Again, right here we will take the length as L centimeter, then 6L into L is equal to 433.5, and then 6L square is equal to 433, and then we will divide 433.5 divided by 6, and finally we get, by taking square root, length is equal to 8.5. Okay, so the volume of the cube becomes, volume is equal to, if the length is 8.5, means that all the 3 lengths are 8.5. So 8.5 into 8.5, in this way we can get the volume as 614.125 centimeter cube. So this is question number 13, and question number 14 is excluded.